Hey there! Is your Compass app acting up on your iPhone? That can be super annoying, especially if you rely on it for getting around. No need to stress though. I have got some handy solutions to help you get that app working again. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Check location services. The Compass app depends on location services to work properly. Here's how to check it. First, open the settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down until you see Privacy and Security and tap on it. Now, select Location Services. Ensure that Location Services is switched on. The toggle should be green. After that, scroll down to find the Compass app and make sure it's set to either while using the app or always. Solution 2. Calibrate the compass. If your compass isn't accurate, it might need calibration. Here's what to do. Open the Compass app on your iPhone. Follow any instructions that pop up on the screen, moving your iPhone in a figure-8 motion. Once you have calibrated it, check to see if the Compass app is working properly now. Solution 3. Update iOS. Sometimes outdated software can cause apps to misbehave. To check for updates, first, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General, then select Software Update. If there is an update available, tap Download and install. After updating, don't forget to restart your iPhone. Finally, check if the Compass app is functioning correctly. Solution 4. Reset location and privacy settings. Resetting your location and privacy settings can fix some underlying problems. Here is how. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset Location and Privacy. Confirm your choice. This action will reset location and privacy settings for all your apps. After the reset, open the Compass app to see if it's working again. By following these steps, you should be all set to fix any issues with the Compass app on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more handy tips. And don't forget to stay tuned for the next video.